If you want to shop online or order groceries right from your phone, the Walmart app makes it super easy. In this video, I'll walk you through how to download and install the Walmart app on your Android device. First, unlock your phone and open the Google Play Store. You'll find its icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. Once the Play Store opens, look for the search bar at the top of the screen and tap on it. Type Walmart into the search bar, then press the search icon on your keyboard. From the results, locate the Walmart app. It should have the familiar Walmart Spark logo. Tap on it to open the app's page. Next, tap the green Install button. Your phone will begin downloading the app. If prompted, confirm using your Google account password or fingerprint. Wait a few moments while the installation completes. You'll see a progress circle showing how much is left. When it's done, the button will change to Open. Tap it, and the Walmart app will launch, ready for you to sign in or create an account so you can start shopping or ordering groceries. For more quick tech tips, subscribe and check out our other tutorials so you can get the most from your favorite apps.